Hey, monkey with the blue testicles. This is my first time. You know, you come and see this much animals.
Did you see that creation story that they say humans evolved from monkeys?
Yeah.
Oh my God.
So I have to take care of them.
So from here, let's move to the crows.
Yeah, last time I released one go before I replace this one. You see, I'll take because these are important bird in the area.
Yeah.
They are cleaners. Any dirty, dead animal, they clear all. So we should respect them. We don't respect them. We call them wish.
And how do they clear those things?
By eating them,
And they eat them.
they pick up animals,
Secondly,
insects.
those animals, God created them special. Even if it's the disease that kills the animal there, you know that. God knows. If he die,
So
who will be
this
the
crow is
cleanest?
like the Jesus of the other birds.
They clean the environment.
They clean the
Yeah,
environment.
because they pick up the dead animals
Yeah, even
and
the
all of
next
that.
time, if somebody dies somewhere in the bush, when they are going there plenty, you know, say there's something there.